taxawle
ngame ko 24 hours sen be parking le man dimo ndele ngoto maja moto hayna kana parking.
So want to advocate, let it be a sustainability. We have seen other part of the country, they have already cleared there, but after 2-3 days people are back. So what is the essence of declaring? So I think they need to monitor the activities time to time and let them see whether people are still cooperating with the laws. So this alone, again, not only clearing them, but also do something about it. If you clear people, what are you going to do there? Are you going to expand the laws? Are you going to grow flowers? What are you going to do about there? So this is something that the public also want to know. Yes.
Thank you.
Hello wonderful viewers, welcome back to your favorite channel Smile Gambia. Here we are right at the Friendship Hotel at Bakau, heading to today the occasion is going to take place right here at Bakau as we are at the Friendship Hotel highway heading to Bakau. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos, and please stay tuned as we bring you interesting videos of today's operation.
Do you know? What? And it is not been operating now? Okay, thank you. Ali. Bi nga jëne ko fii bagage yi nga paak leen def ko soo ko defee nga def ko léegi moo la gënal léegi moom su ñëwee moom du nga compromise xam nga ñu matu lay am mooy dóor ko rek yaaxa ko so balaa ñu ko yaaxa mu gënal la nga jëne ko fii yóbbu ko feneen dégg nga su demee nga waal kay sa fine is good with you jëne ko fii nga dem foofu nga jaay ko waaye fii moom léegi mu ngi ay nit ñëpp ñu nekk si yow di jaay fii dégg nga waaw dégg nga so paaka soo nga paak léegi As you had Kamara just explaining to the young man that he should try and move from this place because it is a public space that he just built this canteen there and start selling. So this is not a place where he should sell. So he should try and move from this area. Ya kini nami fokapi ndala kaje formation le ya fene ya mako ya wudu ya sama dado ya ndramo sinde fonso ja ndrami solo maflo kali ba kati ya da mano ko ke ya fam so mbe be dan la ya kara ya mo ni ya wuki ya sama dado sama ko na ko man ko le sinde do ka fulu be ko bisu so ke ya mo please so le fe ba so be jawol bon ni jom bobo ni la ya mo okay Ma'am, so you can deal it. Yeah, fair for I know. I'm about to leave. What is our movie? Bakau bondi kan tuning ya bondi sante ego
okay no problem kan ti on ta wutu no dan si baga so ka because sign na ngajena
sane
comme sign na ngajena ma any information so
okay
so no problem si parking start no right now
sign
bal kan ti on ta wutu no right now
but sane wenne babundula wenne babundula
no ndekana na fengol le pass
size okay sign it's simple it's a phone partner now against tomorrow ya ta kan tungu because ndel mo mara so jam kam ko clinic le wudu pour le ko sa use no ndol imam lu xon jam wala ni te chamat kali falem kafara kan kakati so askeno ni dalo so ila ka sonu damin ñun labi ti ita di use no so we can give you now against tomorrow just 24 hours we can give you that yeba ka so pak ya kapena ko man ngene ya wudu puki ya pak ñoko ne dalo so ya sambaji ya fam okay thank you ngala bija
Dede bàyyi ngeen ñu taxaw taxaw le taxaw le
ngamre ko 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 wose sen be parking le man ti mo ndele ngoto ma ja moto hayna kana parking le ndanga fine
okay sai pa jawo
parking le wala
yo ko fenen fi musu ko yon bi ke mo fi de waaw ñu la may tebe suba nga ta defal de nga baax na jeri okay no
probably this is because it's not removable just like that.
ñoo fi di leen wax pour ngeen génne seen place na dem leen yëgal ndax bala ñuy wax ne ngeen génne fi seen place na dem leen yëgaloon
non yëg dégg nañ gaa ñu ngi génne si yoon yeneen si yoon bi waaye ñu waxuñ ñoo génne fi waaw
ndax yaakaar ne ne dëgg la pour nga jël li nga xamante ne mooy sa place daf ko si yoone te loolu nag nekkul seen sécurité
nga ne
ndax nekk na dëgg yoon la pour ngeen jël li nga xamante ne mooy seen place daf ko si yoone tali bi
waaye lii kay moom xam naa dëgg la yoon la waroon ko fi waaye soo gisee gaa ñu ngi toog fii nii am na ñu jox fii moo tax ñu ngi toog fii
ñan ñoo leen fi jox
xam naa kéem si moom ñoo ñu jox
kéem si ñoo leen fi jox soo yow tey suñu la génnee fii fan nga nar a def
léegi xanaa ma teg feneen kay waaye fii moom xam naa su ma génnee fii yaa ma fu ma dem
ndax ëllëgee fu ngay dem uti di nga uti fi nga xamante ne nekk si yooni tali
non duma uti si yoon bi tali bi waaye tamit ko ay ngeen foofu léegi waaw duma mën a si tali bi léegi waaw
soo naka nga gisee liggéeyu police yi
liggéey gaa yi ngi def seen liggéey bi kenn ko rafet
ndax yaakaar nga ne jëmi kanam yi askan bi
na dem inshallah
so yaakaar
who are citizens and they have been paying tax, and equally they are patriotic citizens. If you look at this area, you don't see shops many here, but these are the people that also provide service to young people, including students here. So in normal circumstances, how it's supposed to be is, if you come to a shop, tell them that we are going to give you at least 42 hours or 48 hours, 2 days, that we are going to demolish here. So that will give the owner to be adequately prepared, where he can transfer or she can transfer a better place. But just what happened right now here is very, 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 I can't just express my feeling towards it. It's a man who is really struggling and really trying to ensure the family is sustained. We don't say it should not be. Of course it should be. This is a national order. In fact, it is very, very good that such things are happening. But the manner in which it is conducted sometimes is against the willingness of individuals. So I will encourage the media to really work on these things to ensure that the operation to clear the road really understand that these they are fellow citizens. This Gambia we own. We don't have any other plan different from the Gambia. For the manner in which it is conducted, I think people need to look into that. Let them give them like a notice prior. I know there was a sent notice prior to this, but like months back. But you just come to my shop just like that and you destroy everything. You know what I keep inside? Look at the destruction that happened there. What is inside there right now? We don't know. Probably access might be there. So there is no gate to close it till tomorrow. If you don't have the means to immediately evacuate from this place, meaning you are already in a problem. So this is the thing that I think every young person will advocate, both online and everywhere. I think the media will take that into consideration.
Okay, but do you think that it's right to put your shop or your canteen around the outside?
I will reserve my comment especially around that end, because these people, I don't think they just wake up and put their canteen here. Probably they have been authorized. Probably they might apply a permit either through the local council or through the government. I don't know how it works, but I don't think it's just when you wake up and just put your canteen here. It probably might be attached to an authority. So if it have to be changed in reverse, but you have to also go with a due time. So this is what I think.
My question is whether it's right for them to put it around the roadside.
It is not. But one thing I want to also tell you, where they also calculated one day this something will happen to them. So if that was the reason, then probably it could, what I want to say here, it have to be in a win-win situation. This is a national development. We need to expand our roads to ease transportation and communication, everything. But also, what let it be do with cost. Yes.
Yeah, but I just want to ask you, what advice do you have for your fellow citizens? Because this operation has been going since last month, and then it has been posted on social media. These people cannot say they are not aware of it. A lot of people are aware of it, but they don't move their canteen. So what advice do you have for them?
The advice I have for them is, if you know you are within the targeted area, it's better you prepare earlier before they even come for you. Because this is a national order, as I said, government order. We see a lot of institutions, a bigger institution have been removed from the highway, including embassies, which you know that they have some jurisdiction immunity. So if that can happen to such institution, I don't know why other people have still to wait. But what I'm saying here is, if you are trying to do the right thing, do it in a right way. They are doing the right thing, but sometimes the way it is happen is what we need to look into. Yeah, but if you know that you have a canteen within and you know people are coming for you, it's better you go before they come for you, for better preparation.
Yeah, I have a follow-up question. You said they give a notice prior 3 months before they started the operation. You again said they have to give them 42 hours.
Yes.
Are they not aware? Because this is all over social media. Everybody knows that this operation is going on.
Yes.
And if you know that you're having a canteen, they specifically say, if you know you're having a canteen along the road that is blocking the passage of people, you have to move. So what are you trying to say, that they have to go one at a time and tell people, hang on, again, if you don't need the 24 hours? Is that what
I'm saying here is, you and I are Gambians. We know how resistant Gambians are. We really know. So if I told God would be an advanced team that would tell them properly that, likewise you are coming. When you are in Fajara, before we reach here, there will be an advance or 2-3 people tell them, our men are coming in 2 days time. Please try and move before they come. This could have given them a quick reminder instead of the social media alone. This advantage could have been doing that advocacy. Please, our men are coming in 24 hours time. Please try and evacuate. If you don't, this is the time they will come. But just don't come accidentally, and start destruction.
24, 48, 72 hours and 3 months. Which one is longer?
3 months.
3 months.
3 months is longer. But remember, 3 months was on social media, was on TVs and radios. Not every young these women, who are in the canteen even listen to TV or watch TV. So what I'm saying here, this is face to face. Gambians believe in so much face to face, emotionals. You see me, I see you, telling you that please remove this within 24 hours or within 48 hours. I think that could have been a better option.
What is
Yes.
your last word?
The last words of government, I'm so impressed that they are doing something that's very, very, very good. And I will encourage, let it compete. And one thing I also want to advocate, let it be a sustainability. We have seen other part of the country, they have already cleared there, but after 2-3 days, people are back. So what is the essence of declaring? So I think they need to monitor the activities time to time, to let them see whether people are still cooperating with the laws. So this alone, again, not only clearing them, and also do something about it. If you clear people, what are you going to do there? Are you going to expand the laws? Are you going to grow flowers? What are you going to do about there? So this is something that the public also want to know. Yes.
Country, our roads are so tight, and you have vendors all over the road. At one point, even you cannot move. You cannot move. Then if government is coming forward, try to help us clear the road and to make them more wider, that would help to minimize the number of incidences and the number of other issues that might happen on the road. So just to tell you, thank you so much, and keep up the good job. Thank you. And for us, we will cooperate, and this is what we expect. So when they saw the guy with the hammer coming, the director come, they are going to demolish this. It depends on the approach. When they come, they must greet you, and when they greet you, we all know it's already been gazetted. Every Gambian knew that this is happening. Then if you are in the road, if you are encouraged or not, you should know. For us, we know we are we don't know in fact how much we have entered, but we know we have entered at least. But thank God that you have told us that where we should be. And we are lucky that this one is not affected. We are lucky. We were very lucky. No, we are lucky. No, we are lucky. And we thank you for it. Even I told them, even if this one was affected, Wallahi will bring it down. Thank you. Wallahi. Thank you so
thank
much,
you for complimenting our effort in this operation. Actually, this is what it takes to be a citizen and a good citizen. If you are faulty, you admit the fact that I'm fault, then it is easier to discuss and agree on terms. But if you are fault, you still want to tell people that I know why that, or this is what things should happen. It also makes our work tedious and complicated. So hence you give us the assurance that you're going to do it. We can also give that duration, or at least we give a time bound to make sure that you have also complied with whatever we are discussing here. And I will also take that opportunity to thank you very much, you and your staff, for having the understanding and to be complimenting our effort. This is national development. If we are not doing it, we don't have people coming outside to be doing this for us. We have to take the responsibility to make sure we take this country to another level. So once again, I will thank you very much on behalf of the team.
Yes, thank you so much. We appreciate it, and we promise that by the time you come, we'll just do as you advise.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll do as you advise. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Because if the police will come here with a towing vehicle, they want towing vehicles.
Let me tell you
How
something.
being at
My father, he parked it here because he's walking on the road. Or he just park it on the night and the day he go and walk. So it's temporary, whatever. So no problem. Whatever you said, we're going to do it properly and clean. No doubt.
My problem is, why are you informing him? You should be fair enough to be informing him before you see police coming in, stand up to your vehicle.
I don't have any problem for that.
Thank you.
I'm working also the big man.
Okay, thank you.
So whatever you said is going
So,
to
Director, as usual, for them we only give them 24 hours. Before tomorrow, everything need to be clear.
Yes, yes. I'll work with them. I'll ensure that they do that.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Bagage yi léegi nekk bi nga jëne ko fii suba suñ fi ñëw ñu fekk ko fii danga ko yàq. Ok, baax na. Ok.
Mën naa pare waaye naa génne yëpp incha allah. Ma jarul ko wala la be benn yoon. Jega benn yoon. Jega ma be benn yoon. Tay ko mo naa génne ba am lu ma wax.
Camara asked him to remove this thing, but he said yes, he will try and remove it. As you can see, they already provoked this one also. He claims being the owner.
So balaa loolu try nga uti gars yi ñu ñëw jëlee la ma ngi fii nii mbar nga jëlee ko fii nga dem ut feneen dégg nga ok mbar bi ma ñëw naa maa ngi gis yow yaa ko commencé ko jéene try nga jéene ko léegi ñëw ma oo gars ñëw ku nekk mu ñëw jënd fi moto mu yóbbu su fi ñëwaatee moom élève moom mu ne bu fi ñëw le ban tànn fii bari start ok 24 hours waaw if you are coming back here tomorrow mu ne bu ñu fekk dina ko yóbbu de and you be the garage owner yaa ko responsible please ah ok
You have Camara just explaining to the man that he should try and remove this car from this place. This is not the place for the car to be here. So he's been given 24 hours to move these cars from this area.
Okay, thank you.
What Camara is just trying to explain to the young man is that he should try and move these cars from here because they should not be here. So tomorrow, if they happen to come around this end and meet these cars here, he will take them along so he should try and move them as soon as possible, and he's been given 24 hours.
Yeah,